In this talk, I'll be showing you how to order numbers. Now, we're going to start by ordering these decimals. So, the first step is to write them vertically with the decimal point in a line. Our first number is 5.045. Then we're going to line up the decimal point. Our next number is 5.45. And the next number is 5.405. Our next number is 5.54. Our next number is 5.4. And our final number is 6.04. Notice how I've kept all the numbers in nice, neat columns. Now, our next step is to put in placeholders, and this makes all our numbers the same length and can help us as we're doing our workings. Now, I want to order them from smallest to biggest, and so I'm going to start from the left hand side. I'll be looking for the smallest digit in our units column, which is 5. So these 5 numbers have 5. These are the smallest so far, but we need to whittle it down a bit, so we're going to look to our next column. Now, next column, out of those 4 numbers, we can see that 0 is the smallest, so this must be our smallest number, so that's number 1. If we carry on looking, we've got 4s and a 5, so the 4s are obviously smaller, so we're going to carry on focusing on these 3 numbers. So we're going to go to the next column, and we can see that we've got 0s and we've got 5 out of the 3 that we're currently looking at. So we're going to focus on the 0s because they're smaller, so we're down to 2 numbers. So we're going to go to the next column, and we can see that we've got a 5 and a 0, so our smallest number must be the one with the 0, so this is our second smallest, and this must be our third smallest. Okay, we're going to go back and look through again. So we're starting off, we can see that both these must be smaller than the 6, so we're going to focus on these 2. Then we go to our next one, and we can see that the 5.4 must be smaller than the 5.5, so this must be number 4, this must be number 5, and we're left with 6.0 as our 6th in line. If we go back now, we can look at our ordered list, and we can write them out neatly in a row now. So 5.045 was our smallest. Our second smallest is 5.4. Our next smallest was 5.405. Notice how I'm ticking as I'm going along. Our next smallest is 5.45, and that I'm writing them as they originally were, missing out the placeholders. Our next one, number 5, is 5.54, and our final one is 6.04, and we've successfully answered this question.